you have it though, guys. Look at this beauty. So one of these bolts on the other side, this one came loose. Right here. So I'm gonna have to fix that. They did what they did. But yeah, all the damage was right here from the guy tipping it over. Scrape here, this got bent, handlebar got bent. Honestly, how cheap these things are, I'm surprised it didn't break. You know, got little scuffs right here, little scuffs right here, right here, and that's it. I did more damage to it bringing it home. Scratched it right here and right here. My brother picked up a bicycle while we were out there, threw it on the trailer with it, and he leaned it up against, and I didn't even realize. Scratched it up, but it's all right. Front end, Kawasaki right here on the light bulb. Thinking about changing that city light. All in all, man, all in all, it's been a pretty good bike so far, besides that just happening. Look at this thing, so clean in there. It was so clean when I got it. It's getting dusty because of me. Really like this lower exhaust right here. I was thinking about getting the AR exhaust, shooting out here, but I don't know. I found one that just same style like this, shoots out right here. Sleek look, you know, and I really like this look. Yeah, does it look nice with an exhaust coming out? Of course. But we'll see what we do. It's a good looking bike. Odometer reads 113.1, trip A, trip B, and actually odometer 113. Brand new bike, man. Look at the tires, man. The tires still have the line. I'm the one getting rid of it because I've been riding it. I've already put more miles than that guy ever did on this little bike. So first things first, we're gonna fix this bolt down here. Keep it riding. Gonna have to do a rear fender delete. Maybe looking to see if I have there's maybe a integrated tail light. You know, do a few modifications like I did on the Rascal. Definitely exhaust, definitely air intake. And this is EFI, so I might get a power commander for it so I can tune it, you know, make it run better. Who knows, man, maybe I can get this thing to top out at 60-65 miles an hour. And I mainly want exhaust though for sound.
I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby.